Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today I am doing something a little different and I want to try this trending style of these Fulani braids, and I wanted to try it on my frontal. So you guys are going to see how I did it, how I achieved this style. So if you're interested, please keep watching. If you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell button, and also give me a like. And let's get started with today's video. So this unit that I'm featuring today is from Eyeminks, which is my personal brand. We are an online boutique. We host resale wigs, luxury wigs, eyelashes, and apparel. This particular unit, Stella, like all the other luxury units, come pre-customized, which means she's already plucked, knots are bleached, and she's styled and ready to install when you get her. And I'll be showing you guys a lot of the units that I have on my shop to show you guys just different styles that I do with them, how they look out the package, and they're just really easy to just manipulate like any frontal unit. They're just really easy to style and get varying looks with it. So our lace is also HD as well, so it is lighter and that makes a great blend. So you guys, it will blend very well to your skin tone. No matter what skin tone you are, all you have to do is use makeup to blend it and it's going to go perfect on your skin. And so during this portion, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I braided this unit. I'm not going to really talk through it much, but yes, I just braided it all across. Like I said, it's a 13 by 4, so 13 inches across, 4 inches back. And so that's the parting spaces I was working with. I braided the hair all the way to the ends entirely, and then we added some beads. So I'm going to show you guys that process as well. But keep watching because she came out very, very pretty and very natural. Give you guys more details on this particular unit, Stella. She comes in 180% density and ranging lengths from 14 inches all the way to 30 inches. She's very, very soft, light shedding, just like any wig pretty much, and hardly any tangles. The wig is very full, you guys, and I have high density wigs on my site. So each wig is either in 180% density or 250%, but this particular unit only comes in 180% density from 14 to 30 inches. So if you're interested in purchasing her, you guys can visit eyeminks.com or visit my description box down below. is all finished. She actually came out so great. She looks so full. And all I did was just add some water to this unit when I applied her a little bit of product, and she was ready to go. This is pretty much the hair in the natural state. I haven't put any product on it. I just braided the hair, and that was pretty much it until the next day when I installed her. So I do have a part 2 to this video where I'm doing the install. So if you guys want to see how I actually applied this wig, please watch part 2. When I upload it, I will link it to this video up in the right or left hand corner, so you guys can go click on that video as well. But this video is just dedicated to doing a tutorial on how to do these Fulani braids. If you guys are interested in any other styles that you would like to do on your frontal, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think or what you guys want to see featured on the Stella units or any other units that will be available on my website. Again, you can visit Eyeminks.com or visit my description box to go and view my wigs. Also subscribe to our mailing list because we do have a lot of upcoming promotions and all of that. And I cannot wait to share with you guys more. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.